In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in Italian. Now, whether you want to change the text here to Italian or you want ChatGPT to come back to you in the Italian language, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, I do want to mention there is no official way to change language on ChatGPT. As you can see, there is no settings option on the left-hand side here. However, there is a way to do that. Now, I am on Google Chrome and I am on Windows PC. So to give yourself the best chance, make sure you are using Google Chrome. I'm not sure what the process is for any other browsers, but yeah. Once you're on ChatGPT, simply right click, then click on translate to. Now, as you can see, mine already says Italian, so when I click that, it will translate the page to Italian, and there you go. However, you likely don't have this option right here. So what you want to do in order to add Italian to your list of languages, simply click on the three dots here, then click on choose another language, then from this option here, find Italian. Once you find Italian, simply click on it, and then click on done, or in some cases, it will say translate. Once you do that, it will automatically translate the page in Italian. As you can see, the entire page is in Italian. Now, when it comes to talking to ChatGPT in Italian and getting text back in Italian, simply type in whatever it is that you want to type in. So I am asking ChatGPT how it is. And in some cases, you might get an error. So if that's the case with you, simply just refresh ChatGPT and it will work as normal. The way ChatGPT works when it comes to languages is it basically detects the language that you are writing in and it will revert back to you in the same language. So there you go. It just replied to me. I have no idea what this means because I don't speak Italian. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, do go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help.